In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run Java in Visual Studio Code. Let's go ahead and first open a folder. I'm going to create a new folder for our Java app and call it run-java. Then simply open it in VS Code. Now let's go to terminal, and in the terminal here, VS Code will automatically open in our Java project folder. Now for Linux, run this command. You'll also find it in the description of this video. If you are in terminal on macOS, run brew install openjdk. And if you are on a Windows PC, you can run choco install openjdk or simply download Java JDK from official website. I'm on a Mac OS, so I'm just going to use the brew install openjdk. Now, it might take a while to install, but once it's installed, we're going to use the code command to install the vscode-java extension. To make sure we can use the code command from the terminal or command line, we need to add it to path. The fastest way to do that in VS Code is to press Command-Shift-P or Control-Shift-P on Windows. And in this command palette, type shell. Then select the shell command, install code command in path. Just click on that. Now let's go back to VS Code terminal and enter this command. Also, you will find this in the description of this video. But basically, this will install the Java extensions for Visual Studio Code. Now, once that's installed, what you want to do is let's first make sure that Java command exists and installed by typing java-version. And the same for the compiler, javac-version. Make sure that these commands return the version number. Now, to create a Java app for VS Code, type touch main.java. The Java file will appear in VS Code. Click on that file. Type some basic Java program. I'll just print out how to run Java in VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Now let's go back to terminal and type javac main.java to compile and Java main. Enter. And that's it, guys. This is how you run Java in VS Code or Visual Studio Code.